Hey guys, welcome back to Juan's Garden. It's me, Juan, and today we are going to unbox a gift that I got from a friend of mine. It's a Levitating Plant Pot, and you may have seen this on TikTok and stuff, but I'm excited to get into it. And here's the thing too, I have no idea. So on the sides, you can see all the different patterns and designs that it comes in. It has black on this side, and then it has like the white marble on this side. So I'm actually not sure what it'll look like, which is, I love surprises, and I'm actually looking forward to getting into it. So let's get started. Okay. These are instructions. I don't really feel like I need these, but it's fine. If we come back to them, whatever. It's cool. As you can see, we've got an adapter plug, which I'm gonna have to figure out. I got a plug somewhere. That's the plug. Hold on, guys. Let me get this. Lots of protective styrofoam. Here we go. Okay, here's the plate. This is the levitating plate. And here is the pot. Okay, this is like, ooh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's how it works. So I've seen these before on TikTok. I never knew how they worked, but I could feel the magnetic. I could feel the magnetic pull, like as I was pulling it out just now. So let's keep going. Here's the plate. Let's plug it up with the adapter. This is actually, and I like that it's a black one because it won't clash with my decor too much. How do you plug this? Oh, here we go. Here we go. It just has the adapter right here. And you plug that bad boy in. Is it going in? Oh, there we go. I have a plug back here. It is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. But I do have some cuttings here that we can put in there today that are ready. This is the pot. Like up against my hand, like it fits in the palm of my hand. Like that's kind of, I can see, it's very strong. I can feel that. Jesus. Okay. All right. How do we turn it on? Okay, there's a light in here. There's a light. Hold on. Maybe we need the instructions again. Place the base of the magnetic levitation pot on the stable surface level plug-in. Okay, it's not doing it. Okay. Place the base of the magnetic levitation pot on a stable level surface. Check. Plug in the power. Check. Hold the flower pot with both hands. Then the flower pot completely open. So guys, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna get it. I'm not a giver-upper. Oh my gosh. It's happening. It's working. Y'all see this? Okay, so success. But here's the thing. Okay, this is so cool. There's no plant in here yet. So that means I'm gonna have to do that again. It's turning, it's spinning, I wanna touch it. Look. Okay. So now it's the easy part. We're gonna get the plant inside the pot. I have all my handy dandy loud items, as you can hear on the side of me here. I'm gonna just get some dirt. I low-key want to try and do it like without taking it off, but I know I need to practice because eventually I'm gonna have to water this. Whatever, we'll figure it out. So today's plant, I have some neon pothos propagations that I was growing just in water. That's like my favorite way to propagate. And the roots are ready. They're about 2 to 3 inches long. If not longer, I'd say that's like 5 inches long. And so we're just going to get those potted up in this pot. I think this was a perfect one for it. I love full and bushy plants. So I thought that would be, I had quite a few cuttings in here. I don't really believe in doing just like one singular cutting at a time. Okay. We'll just do it again. I did it once. I can just do it again. So let's get the dirt in here. This is a chunky soil mix. I'll probably do a breakdown. We'll do another video on how I make my soil mix. Right now, let's get this in here. Again, this is the easy part, guys. That one didn't do anything, so we'll trash that one. Put that to the side. Getting all the roots in here. Just vibing. Just planting. Having a great time. Here we go. Here's my soil. Let's. Okay. We're getting down in there. This is the easy part. This is the fun part. I mean, I am having a great time with the new pot. But y'all seen me struggle, so you know what that means. You know what I'm saying here. Just a little bit at a time because this pot is so tiny. Like, I like this. This is super cool. And I like tech stuff and plant stuff together, so I like it. I just wish the pot was bigger. So if you're looking to get this, just keep that in mind, that this really is like for the technology of it, because the plant pot is actually just the size of the palm of my hand, and I have regular size girl hands, so that should give you some reference on how big this pot is. Yeah, which is not very big at all. I'm just putting some soil in here. I'm gonna put some systemic granules in here too, because if there's bugs in here, I'm gonna be pissed. So we gotta do what we're supposed to do and protect our plants at all costs. I had this in the last video. These are just systemic granules. You can grab them off Amazon. I'll have the link. I have a link for you. Go ahead and get some of those. Protect your plants at all costs. Not at all costs, but you know, do what you're supposed to do. Do right by your plants. Okay, I'm just smashing it down, making sure it doesn't like fall out. Okay, all right. Okay, now that the plant is in there, I want to water it just a little bit, but also like, there's drainage holes at the bottom. I will water it later. I just want to like practice getting this thing suspended on this plate. Like, that is what's important to me right now, is practicing this. So look at her, she is so cute. Come on, cute plant. Just clearing her up a little bit. Let's try this again. I just did it, so I can do it again. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Her is so cute. Oh my gosh. This was gifted to me by a friend of mine from church, and thank you. You know who you are. This is so cute. This is so cool. I'm so glad I can make a video about it, and you guys can see me open it up for the first time. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. And now I just gotta figure out a place to put it in my house, and I gotta water it, and I'm excited. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, look at the description. Don't forget to do all those things, okay? Subscribe so you can come back for more videos and like it, okay? Bye. See you guys later.